Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing a part 2 of the Promate generator series. So now what we have here is the Promate 120. If you haven't watched the Promate 240S unboxing, we also have it already here in the channel. So the Promate 120 is the smaller brother or the younger brother of the 240 ni Promate, the Promate generators. So we're gonna open it up, okay? So inside the box is the actual generator unit, okay? A manual, okay? And of course, they have a box for the charger, okay? So we'll remove the styrofoam cover, okay? So as you can see, okay, Promate 120 can be charged with solar panels. Meron siyang port, okay? Pwede siyang direct AC charging, okay? Ibig sabihin sa wall. You can also charge it sa vehicle, okay? Built-in high 12 volts, 12 amperes, I guess. Rechargeable sealed lead acid battery. 220 AC socket na is connected to a 200 watts power inverter, which is different with the 240, 400 watts kasi yun. 12 DC outlets, 3 5 volt 2100 milliamperes USB port, digital display, inverter outputs, frontal LED light. So para makita nyo, okay, here it is facing everyone. Okay, so as mentioned, may LED light siya, no? So here's the switch for the LED light. Okay, so it works even if the power inverter is off, Okay. If you just want to use the USB, kunyari sa outing kayo, it's second switch, okay? So switch that, see, as you can see, nag-on na yung light ng USB, no? To show you that it's working, I have here my tallow drone, which I won from a raffle. Thank you, MSI ECS, okay? So, kita niya may front, monitor, LED light, blinking light, or whatever, okay? So, see, it turns on, it's charging, okay? So, if it's a blinking light on the telo, it means it's charging, okay? For example, now you want to use it, so may sasaksakan 220, your laptop, okay? So, just turn it on the other side. It also turns on the USB. See? It's still on. Okay? So now you can charge whatever electronic gadget you have, your power banks, your cell phones. Pero kung power bank, cell phones, dito ka na sa your laptop, okay, rechargeable light, or kung outdoors and you're camping, yung mga like what we have, yung airbed na di makina. Okay? So you can use this. This is the port for charging, okay? So we're gonna plug it in here sa kabilang side. Sa tabi ko may outlet ako. Okay. So this is the charging light, okay? That means it's not full charge. So hindi na siya full charge kasi ginagamit na natin, okay? So if you're gonna charge anything here, you plug it in here. You can use it sabay-sabay. Pero of course, mas mabilis madidrain yung okay? Display button shows you yung wattage niya, yung charge. I forgot I don't know what this means. We'll do that for the quick review, okay? So basically, ito yung most important. Ito yung babantay mo, yung 12. Pag pumalo na yan ng below 9, the inverter will not work na din anymore. So you can't use the 220. You can still use the USBs. Based on experience sa 240, which is bigger of course, 5 hours on a 50 watt electric fan, nasa 11 point something pa lang yun natira sa akin, 11.5, pero we started at 13, mas mataas yung of course yung capacity ng So it's easy, magaan siya, so I'm just using 2 fingers now to hold it, but of course you're not gonna use 2 fingers to carry it. And dito yung dalawang 12 volts. Okay? So if you have to charge anything using a DC, dyan lang po. So that's a quick unboxing of the Promate 240 120. Price wise, it's 5,999, available at different stores. It's available Lazada, SNR, alam ko, Ace Hardware. You can just ask if they have the Promate. This is good for traveling, Diba? So anyway, thanks guys. Bye.